Hi, welcome to the Success Seeds. Wallace D. Wattles published the renowned self-help book, The Science of Becoming Wealthy, in 1910. The law of attraction's fundamentals and practical applications for achieving financial success are highlighted in the book. The top 10 lessons from The Science of Becoming Wealthy are listed below. The book makes the claim that there is enough wealth for everyone in the universe and that it is infinitely abundant. The power of thought. By focusing on our goals with clarity and intention, we may bring our aspirations into reality. Gratitude. Expressing thanks for what we already have causes additional prosperity to enter our lives. Taking action. In order to reach our goals, we must act as well as picture or think about them. Collaboration. Working together and cooperating with others can help us reach our objectives more quickly. Giving is important because it invites abundance into our life and produces a pleasant energy flow. Learning never stops. Success requires constant learning and personal development. Self-confidence. Self-doubt can impede our growth, so having self-confidence is essential for success. Focus. Maintaining our attention on our objectives and avoiding being sidetracked by challenges or failures is essential for success. The value of service. Success and wealth are built through serving others and adding value to their lives. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe.